Example number 46, you will show clearly that log 6 to base 5 plus 2 log 2 to base 5 minus log 9 to base 25 is equals to log 3 log 2 to base 5, isn't it? So it means you start with the left hand side of the equation until you get what is on the right, isn't it? So for you to show clearly that, it means you must have the same base, isn't it? This is base 5, meaning this must also be base 5, isn't it? Are we together? So if you look at this, log A to base B is supposed to be log A over log B. The base is the logarithm in the numerator, isn't it? So it means when you have log 9 to base 25, that means it is log 9 over log 25, isn't it? But we need base 5. Meaning this 25 we express it 5 as its factor, isn't it? So then we'll get log 9 over log 5 squared. 25 is the same as 5 squared, isn't it? Then the power is written as the coefficient. So it means we have log 1 over 2 log 9 over log 5, isn't it? 1 over 2 log 9 over log 5, which is the same as a half log 9 over log 5. It means it is log 9 to base 5. Are you seeing that? So we've transformed log 9 to base 25 to be a half log 9 to base 5. Are you seeing that? Are we together? So what do we have? What do we have? We have here is log 6 to base 5 plus 2 log 2 to base 5 minus then this log 9 to base 25. We found it is the same as a half log 9 to base 5. So this is now what we now deal with until we get that we now have the same base. We can now use laws of logarithm when we have the same base, isn't it? Are we together? What is the next step? We get rid of the coefficients, isn't it? So here there is no coefficient. If you made log 6 to base 5, here the coefficient 2 becomes the power, isn't it? So we have it is plus log 2 squared to base 5, isn't it? Then minus this a half becomes the power, isn't it? So it is minus log 9 raised to power half to base 5. Remember log 9 raised to power half is 3, 9 raised to power half, like that. 9 is 3 squared raised to power half. Square goes with the half, you remain with 3, meaning this 9 raised to power half is 3, isn't it? So can you do that? Next step, this one is equals to log 6 to base 5 plus log 2 squared is 4, isn't it? To base 5, then minus log 9 to base a half we found is 3, isn't it? Are we together? So, what is the next thing? See, we factorize out log to base 5, isn't it? If we remove out log to base 5, we have 6, addition changes to multiplication. So 6 times 4, then subtraction changes to division, divide by 3. So 6 times 4, let me just put that for you to not to mistake with decimal point. So 6 times 4 divided by 3, 8, isn't it? So it means we have log 8 to base 5. But what is 8? 8 is 2 cubed, isn't it? Because this is what we need. We need log 2, meaning this 8 we must reduce it to 2, isn't it? Are we together? So there we have log 2 cubed to base 5. Then the power is the coefficient, so that we are able to get what they want, isn't it? So if you put 3 as the coefficient, you get what they want. That is 3 log 2 to base 5. And you've shown clearly that this left hand side of the equation is actually equal to what is on the right hand side of the equation.